Here are specific instructions on how to correctly install the Tru-Trainer flat return idler. First, identify the problem area on the return side of the belt. Prepare to install the Tru-Trainer 20 to 30 feet before the problem area. For conveyor belt speeds less than 600 feet per minute, it is recommended to install approximately 20 feet from the problem area. For conveyor belt speeds greater than 600 feet per minute, it is recommended to install approximately 30 feet from the problem area. For best results, install a Tru-Trainer 20 to 30 feet, depending on belt speed, prior to the tail pulley, to ensure the conveyor belt is centered around the tail and through the load zone. If using a gravity take-up, install additional Tru-Trainers 20 feet before and after. This will ensure the conveyor belt is centered into and throughout the gravity take-up. Prior to installation, ensure that the power is switched off and the conveyor is locked out to avoid accidental startup. Tru-Trainer can be installed above or below the return side of the belt. It is very important to install the Tru-Trainer so that the belt has full contact across the width of the Tru-Trainer roll. The Tru-Trainer can be mounted on the top of the belt to push down or the bottom to push up to achieve this. Remove the standard idler to be replaced, along with any other tracking devices or inverters, which are in front of or behind the Tru-Trainer for a distance of at least 100 feet. In general, a Tru-Trainer is effective for 50 feet prior to and 100 feet after the installation point, depending on overall conveyor condition. Never install a Tru-Trainer flat return idler on a belt wider than the trainer design width. 1 to 2 inches of trainer must protrude on either end to ensure proper operation. Bolt the L-shaped brackets onto the structure using existing holes if possible. The flat return Tru-Trainer will fit both belt width +9 and belt width +15 systems when configured as shown. Remove the decking plates if necessary. Partially tighten the mounting bolts for the L-shaped brackets. Slide both brackets fully backwards towards the tail pulley and ensure they are square to the structure. Once completed, tighten all bolts. Slide the trainer under or over the belt, depending on preferred position or based on limitations in the mounting area. Slide the retaining collars onto the ends of the Tru-Trainer. Ensure Tru-Trainer is centered on the structure by adjusting it until the distance between the edge of the roller and mounting brackets are equal on both sides, and then tighten the retaining bolts. It is essential that proper tension be applied to the belt for maximum performance. The belt should be deflected approximately 1 inch above or below existing idler center point levels. There should be sufficient tension to make it difficult to pivot by hand prior to startup. In general, increased angles of wrap will improve traction, resulting in improved performance. Increased traction is only needed if the Tru-Trainer is not working correctly. Once proper tension is achieved, slide the retaining collar bolts through the appropriate holes on the mounting brackets and tighten. The vertical pivot axle must be positioned perpendicular to the belt line. This can be verified and adjusted via the shaft end wrench flats and a construction angle. Remove all tools from the work area and start the conveyor. The Tru-Trainer should immediately activate and center the belt. If the Tru-Trainer is not activating and tracking the belt, this is often a result of improper vertical pivot axle alignment. Verify perpendicular alignment to the belt with a construction angle. Tracking problems can also be a result of too little or too much tension. To solve this problem, increase or lower the height of the idler in the frame by at least 1 hole upwards or downwards. If the problem still persists, remove any other tracking devices in front of or behind the Tru-Trainer, as these devices may reduce or interfere with the performance.
Installation is now complete.